Welcome to the Santa Clara City Library Comic-Con. It's the biggest event the library throws every year. We're anticipating about 8,000 to 10,000 people, all here excited about comics and fantasy and literacy. There are meet and greet opportunities. Authors and artists like Brianna Lowenson, Tien Pham, and Francisco Jimenez. Special guests, the Charles Schulz Museum, Cartoon Art Museum, DJ Lance Rock, and even Snoopy. Hands-on activities like Quidditch, cosplay contests, D&D role-playing adventures, and a themed escape room.
The foundation is a nonprofit whose mission is to raise funds for the library to enhance programs, expand programs, and we are so proud to be able to help sponsor events like Comic-Con. It's vital to the community to bring people into the library so they can see what's available, see what the library looks like now if they haven't been in a library for a while, and just have a free event that's family friendly and that invites the community to come and celebrate literacy, comics, anime, and just have a wonderful day in the library.
One of my favorite things about being a vendor at Santa Clara City Library Comic-Con is being able to share my artwork as a local Santa Clara native with kids from this area. Comic-Con is a community event, it's open to all ages, and there's something for everyone.